Hi everyone, salam alaikum. Peace be upon you. Now, let's go started with Kotlin programming language and start with computer science. What does it mean? If you cannot understand computer science, what does it mean, and algorithmics, you cannot go through Kotlin without any experience or without any definition of computer science. So let's go through first and these definitions. So let's go first in computer science. It's the study of the theory, experimentation, and engineering that form the basis for design and use of computer. It is scientific and practical approach to computation and its applications, and the systemic study of visibility, structure, expression, and mechanization. So, and the mechanization of the methodical procedures or algorithmics. So this is why we say algorithm. Algorithm come from math, exactly from math. But when we say about when we introduce to you computer science, we must say algorithm, not math, because math is equations and solve equation. But in algorithmic, rewrite that's equation as algorithmics or as a code. That's called, it's called algorithmics because in the first time it was math equation. So that's computer science is relation with mathematics. So that's in these courses we study Kotlin, but we learn to we teach you to how to include math into programming language. That will make you successful in the future. Maybe you can say I don't care about algorithmics or math because I will just write a code. But it's wrong. It's waste of time. You know what I mean? It's waste of time. You must study math, and from my vision, you must study math and programming language in the same time, which is mean algorithm and computer science. Because most of programmers they say you don't need math, but in my vision you need math, because when you go to develop yourself and go to the high level programming language, you have to practice math, which is mean convert that equation into algorithmics or code by language. I don't know what language you're gonna use, but you have to do it. You know, math is most important in our life, because when you start solve a problem, programming problems, you have to teach yourself math. That math will give you a good base into to high level programming language. So let's go through algorithmics. Algorithm that underline the acquisitions, representation, processing, storage, communication, and access to information. That algorithmic will give you representation, processing, storage, communication, and access to the data information. And return and more sexy definition of the computer science is the study of automating algorithmic process that scale. A computer scientist specializes in the theory of computation and the design of computational systems. Its field can be divided into a variety of theoretical and practical disciplines. Some fields, such as computational complexity theory, are high, which explore the fundamental property of a graphic, emphasize real-world visual application, and intractable problem are highly abstract, while field as a computer graphic emphasize real-world visual application. Other fields still focus on challenges in implementing computation. Many examples and these challenges. Other fields still focus on challenges in implementation computation. This has many examples, which is such as programming language theory consider various approaches to do description of computation, while the study of programming language itself investigates various aspects of the use of programming language and the complex system human-computer interaction, consider the challenges in making computer and computation useful and and university accessible to humans. This is like computer science as a field, but after that, let's go to do algorithmics. Algorithmics and Kotlin. I am Larvid Habaji. Let's go to the next level of algorithmics. Formal, like they form it from mathematics. Instead, we say like math, we say algorithm for programming language, which is mean like you say A plus B, B equality C. This is mathematics, but when you form it as computer coding or something, this is we call it algorithm. But usually this algorithm comes from mathematical equation. So yeah. So let's go through what does it mean algorithmics. I've already done what does it mean algorithmics. So algorithmics is instead we say like instead we get what's called equation, we get this algorithmic coding, such as like rewrite. Let's write it again. That's form equation form into coding. This is called algorithmics. Algorithm. Yeah, many people like I don't know. Yeah, many people like don't think algorithm is most important in coding, because if you don't understand algorithmic, this is will be problems in the futures. Not problem now. Now you will know only basics or something. But when you still develop as, you will like always go to the YouTube and research or look for solution for your problem. Because if you have a problem, everything it's about the mathematics. If you see all problem around the world, it's mathematics. Like we say, like we play games, like this is just like enter R1 or whatever. I think R1. RT. Like we go RT and it's run, and this is like you have 20 miles per hour. This is it's algorithmics, which is mean it's like they have like a loop when you. They have a loop and maybe array like vector, and when they have vector, that vector will save that number in the that loop will save each number to the vector, and it's still going. Like loop is me, which is me like for always like initialize a equality 1. This is like what does it mean like this is just for run speed. Because I used to be like I used to program a little bit games for myself, like develop myself in algorithm, because the best way to develop yourself in algorithmics it's I think from my like vision is develop yourself in games, because the games you will see it as a games, not like as an application or something. Application is a little bit different, everything inside the code, and some coding you cannot see it and until you say you see what's called, you see debug. When you do debug, you see all code how it's run. Sometimes many people they have like low level computer PC, but that PC cannot like run debug super fast. So when I used like to be kid and I hadn't a good computer, so I used to I installed my Unity 3D. It work in computer I think A3. Yeah, i3. So when you run it, you can run. I used to like write algorithmic code and write it as games by C# programming language. It was my first programming language I learned. So let's go through now. Computer science, you know what does it mean? Algorithmic, you know what does it mean? Let's go through programming language. Programming language, each programming language has a good things. Everything like has a special things. Engineering gave it to it. Okay, let's see. We have many programming languages. We have C++, Kotlin, Java, JavaScript, PHP, C#, Objective-C, Swift, Python, Pascal. We have Delphi. We have like many programming languages. It's something entire. entire for programming language, you know, entire life, and every single day they invent new things. Their programming language is super weird. I can't remember like their name, but there is many programming language super weird and super weird code. They use it for things like shifra everything, like you know, it's like a password or something, you know, like SHA1, like this is writing root by I think C++, but it's protocol, and protocol does algorithm is super, yeah, that's we come in the core algorithm. Always go any code in the world root from algorithmics. So let's go through Kotlin. Kotlin is programming language as we know, and Kotlin you can make it's the futures of Android Studio, and you cannot you cannot make it you cannot write an Android Studio, normal Android Studio. I think they are in 2.3.3, but we can write it in Android Studio Preview. This is Android Studio Preview. It's Android Studio Preview 3.0. As we know, in Java programming language or C++, there is Android Studio 2.3.3. If you check page and like just Google it, and you will find like Android. You write just Android Studio and you will find on normal Android Studio. But there is another one. It's yellow logo. It's almost like between orange and yellow logo. So you usually like we see Android Studio as a green logo, but this is between orange and I will show you. But first of all, we need some basic of Kotlin programming language. After that, go write algorithmics. You know, this is my courses. I love like to include math into programming language. I don't like just programming language, write a code, write some stuff like print, but I don't know, print and some stuff like go to initialize variable and do loop and do function and do object-oriented program. I don't like this stuff. I like to include the math into programming language. So this is what make you like think as algorithm, as equation, not as a code. When you think about the equation and develop it as or write it as Kotlin as a code, this will be good for you and will be good for everyone and will be good for security, you know, because we will have like good code and you know how to change it because we have base form. When you have a base form, it's easy to change a code, you know what I mean? So let's go to now. I miss you guys really. Okay, let's go. I don't want to waste your time, guys. So now you need Android Studio. That's after. Now you need a compiler to run Kotlin programming language. Of course, we gonna use. We are going. I wanna like speak British. Like, we are going. Not we are gonna. We are going to download the community version. Yeah, community. Yeah, community version free from IntelliJ. Let's go through, guys. Let's go. Just write IntelliJ. Let's go to Google. Oh yeah, I need to enter my Android Studio. It's free anyway, so yeah. Enter. This is like you see here, IntelliJ idea. This is team. It's mouse like who develop Android Studio and the mouse of language. You see here Java, Groovy, and mouse many things. Languages. If you go to languages here, you see Kotlin programming for JVM and Android. This is very cool. I haven't seen that. Kotlin conference November 2-3 San Francisco. This is mean they're gonna do a community or like events about like you see an official event by JetBrains. It's called the JetBrains anyway. By the way, Kotlin conference. 2-3 November 2017, San Francisco Pier 27. 2 days of content from Kotlin creators and community enthusiasts. This is super hard word. Okay, try Kotlin. Success type. No, I don't need it. I need only intelligent idea. Try Kotlin. You say here, try Kotlin. I think they have. I haven't checked that, but I think they have like. Oh, yeah. This is. I think you can write online or something. Oh yeah. You can write online here, like online if you don't have like computer or something. Computer super powerful or something. But even mine, I use Core i3 and 8 GB RAM, so I don't care. This is function. This is main function. Print and hello world. As we know, hello world it's the most most famous in the world. So yeah, let's go to internet. We have ultimate and community, web, mobile and enterprise development. This is it's download as free, but you have to purchase it. So a community Java, Groovy, Scala and Android developments. Download. When you do download, there is open juice. And you are, yeah. I need to show you. Maybe you have Mac or something, so I don't know what you have. Like Windows, okay. That I think they detect your system immediately, and they know which kind of setup you need, like exe, and you have like zip if you want, whatever you want. And this is download ultimate. Here we go. Let's wait for it. And I've already downloaded it, so I don't care. So let's go through. This is like yeah. This is let's run Kotlin. Let's run JetBrains program compiler, as we know. My friend he called me. Oh, wow, it's a lot of audio. Just sorry, Sofian. I'm doing video, so yeah, I will reply to you. Let's wait. How many minutes? 16 minutes. I have to stop record and 20. I don't wanna be like more time for you, so I will stop and back when it's right. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm back. I'm very tired. Sorry about that. I will drink some water. This is all like Angel's idea. Let's go. I'm back, guys. Okay, this is all Angel's idea. To run new application, you just write project, and we have like here JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is me. Yeah, by the way, Kotlin is run on Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine is like like how I want to bring something in. Yeah, in your life. Let's get there. So, for example, I have a friend from Korea in real life. I have a friend from Korea. He's always with me. So he back to Korea a little bit while ago. So like his family all speak Korean, or like his wife and his kid, they speak Korean, and I speak French or Algerian language. So a little bit Arabic. Because Arabic not the same in Algeria, so sorry about that. And we speak, both of us, we speak English. So what we do, we use Java Virtual Machine, who can understand Korean and yeah, like English. Both of us can understand this. So that's what we make it like speak together. If he don't speak English and I don't speak English, I don't speak his language, he don't speak my language, he doesn't speak my language. So what we do, we cannot communicate, you know. So that's what happened in GVM. GVM, they can understand the Kotlin programming language and can understand binary language, which is mean binary language in a procedure like 010101 and circuit, logic circuit, digital algebraic. It's called like this, like as a class. It's called digital algebraic. So yeah, this is not. It's not. It's not good. I don't think it's a good example. So the good example is translator. Like we say, like okay, Putin and Trump. Putin, he can't understand. He can't speak English, and Trump, he cannot understand Russia. So what they do? They bring translator. Translator is GVM who can understand Russia and English, who can translate both of the side. So that's what happened in GVM. And we have in the bottom here JS, which is means JavaScript. Kotlin module for JavaScript targets. So we don't need this. We have only GVM Kotlin. I haven't used this before, so I don't know. JavaScript, I know JavaScript, but I don't know Kotlin JavaScript. I haven't used it before, and I haven't studied about it before, so I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Let's go, guys. Kotlin GVM, and let's do it next. And now name our project. So let's give it name. Let's give it name. And Kotlin. Let's new app, new program. This is good. New program is good. And we have here Java version. Java version SDK. As we know, GVM, you have to download it. So let's go to Google. Let's Google it and let's find. Yeah, Google is the best one. I don't know why it's French. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh yeah. This is old email. That's what I say. I opened it in Algeria, so that's what I say. Let's go. Let's say GDK Oracle. Java SE. GTK 9. They are in GTK 9, and you can download here GTK 9. Yeah. And now you must accept the Oracle binary code license agreement for Java SE to download this software. So let's accept license agreement. Now you can choose GTK 9, Linux, macOS, Windows, Solaris, Spark. So it's for Windows 64. There is no 32 bytes. It's only for 64 bytes. I don't know why. It's a new anyway, because you see here I have 1.8. So I think this is a new GTK. Let's check it. Okay, let's download it. Anyway, you download it, you install it, and will be everything good after that. So, okay, let's go through. Let's use 1.8. Maybe next time, if this is a new one, it's 9, so I will use it next time. Anyway, project level by library Kotlin Java runtime with tutorial files will be created. Yeah, this is runtime Kotlin. So let's go. This window. Yeah, this window. I don't care. Here we go. We have new program. I don't care about external library. This is just library. As we know, library also for all GVM, GTK, and Java runtime. Go. So we have like here our project. We have a source where we create our classes and files. Let's click left, right left, right click and the mouse, and let's choose Kotlin file class. We don't choose Java class because we need just Kotlin file class. So let's do it. Name our file. As we know here, class interface enum class object. This is, we don't need it now because this is just for object oriented programming. So we don't need it right now. We need it after. So we need only file program or something. Okay, let's call it main file hello, or just say hello world. Let's name it hello world. This is hello world. As we know, this is file hello world. Let's create our main function. So to create main function which is mean who control or program everything, every class we called it a main function. That's main args, which is me arguments, and let's do 2 points array. Let's do like this, and we call it as a string. String is type of the main function, which is mean it's array as a type string. String can understand any number or any character in the function. So that's what we make it. We control all project, all classes, everything, and the main function. Let's do it. Let's go through and write print ln and run our first code. Hello world. Hello Mr. Ali. This is my name, Ali. Don't write Ali like me. Okay, so this is our our new version of 1.5 1.5 Kotlin plugin is available. After that I will install it, of course. So let's go. Let's do run hello world kit. Anyway, by the way, the kind of these files, it's kit, which mean Kotlin. You see here hello world.kotlin, kit or kts. I think they use kts too, I can't remember, but they use kts. I think, I'm sure they use kts. So let's go ahead, and now we are waiting because it's new project, so it need time to run. So here you go. Soon. Hello Mr. Ali. You see, if you want to print it many times, as we know, we have print ln and we have only print. Hello LDB family, my family LDB. And now we use just here, as we know, run or C control plus F5. Let's wait a little bit. 1 2 3. Come on. Don't embarrass me. What the heck? Let's go. Here you go. LDB family doesn't do a space. So if you wanna go to the next line, you must say ln. If you don't wanna, just write it like this and do like this, and like good sentence. So yeah, let's wait a little bit. And hello LDB family, hello Mr. Ali. This is all, and I hope you like video and you understand everything in this video. So guys, if you wanna ask me question, we are in 27, so I'm over time. So if you wanna ask me any question you want, ask me on my page LDB Technology. You will see it in description. And don't forget, there is subscribe my channel and like my page. And I hope you like everything and you'll be good programmer in the futures by Kotlin programming language. I am Ali Labid Habashi. Thank you for watching this video. See ya in the next one.